Hey, it's a very tragic situation, obviously, and they're still in mourning and grieving for the loss of their daughter and their sister. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for being attentive. Thank you for respecting them.
Eric Morelli. Eric has asked me to make just a few comments on behalf of Eric, who and his family is profoundly remorseful about this entire situation. We're here in court. We intend to review all the facts and circumstances, and Eric will present his response to the court at that time. In the interim, we don't think that it's appropriate or that it is something that we want to do at this time with respect to making any comments about the facts and circumstances. Kristen and her family need some time. This is a very difficult time for them. They're grieving, and we respect that. We prefer not to make any comments or statements that would in any way impact or affect them. And we hope that the public and the general media has the same respect for the family. Thank you.
What has he been doing, with his free time?
He's working. He's finishing up his high school education. He'll be getting his degree shortly, and he's actually profoundly remorseful about what happened, and I'm frankly concerned.
Has he reached out to the family, letting them know that?
Basically, he has not. The reason being is that I've instructed him not to at this point. As a lawyer, sometimes we have an obligation to help our clients and make sure that what they do and say is appropriate. So in the advice of counsel, I've advised him not to. I have reached out to the attorney for the family and have expressed his concerns and his thoughts and his remorse.
What has he been doing?
I'm not quite sure, Frank.
You seem to be, I hate to use the word conceding, but in a way acknowledging that there was some role that he played in this awful incident.
It's a good question. We don't know precisely what role he played. The allegations are one that that this was an accident that was caused or created by him. The state has charged him with first-degree manslaughter, which is a very serious charge. By all intents and purposes, it appears that the allegations would be more akin to an accident as opposed to first-degree manslaughter. We'll have to wait and review the file and see precisely what his involvement was, if anything. We have a ways to go. As you know, this case is being screened to be sent to Britain.
How hard is it for you now that she's gone? I mean, she's a beautiful girl.
It's hard, but it's harder to see him just walk out of court with no, you know what I'm saying? I wanted to see him handcuffed, thrown on the table, brought out the courtroom, and everyone you know what I'm saying? I wanted to see the Milanos yeah, he got what he deserved, but they're bringing it up to a bigger court, so hopefully he gets his thing there.
They keep telling us that he was friends with her too. Is he friends with you?
He wasn't as close as you know what I'm saying, but he was friends.